Hi, my name is Sabine Straver. I'm a professional organizer with the essence of clarity, and today I'm talking about organizing your kids' bedroom, which is different from decluttering their bedroom, as decluttering normally comes before organizing. If you haven't already, please watch my other video on how to declutter your kids' bedroom. So today I'm in my daughter's bedroom for organizing the kids' bedroom, which might be a coincidence or not. In all seriousness, she takes great pride in her space and she loves a minimalist feel. I wonder where she got that from. So here are some points to consider when you need to organize your child's bedroom. 1. Where possible, get them to own it. My daughter feels great pride in her space because she chooses spots for the things, either herself or in consultation with me, to the extent that her school bag gets placed in a box so it doesn't look messy. Second point, have clear allocated spaces for your child's clothes, their school bag, their swimming gear, books, school stuff, electronics, etc. I have thought, how on earth did my mum cope with all the digital devices that these kids have? And then I realized she didn't, because we lived in a different era. For my daughter in particularly, she is both dyslexic and anaphylactic, so she needs IT tools like her C-Pen and her iPad every day. It needs to be on a very clear spot to pop into her bag before she leaves the house. Then on top of that, she needs the EpiPen, so everything needs to be ready to go. On that note, set up a charging station for each of your children. So we can't go back in time. My kids are in a school with bring your own device, meaning that they bring their iPad every day. And although it is recommended not to have devices in their bedroom, I have only recently set up their charging stations in their room. So we are at a stage that I have monitored their iPad use, and if I want to, there's actually software out there that I can remotely switch it off if I think they're using it too much. But I have overall a lot of trust in them. Having all their daily tools together makes getting ready for school less painful and more streamlined. So we decided to set up charging stations in their room. My tip 4 aligns with the previous point. Make sure that there is a flow. This counts for any space in your house, but getting kids out of the house in the morning is tough. You increase the chances of them getting ready in the morning quickly by providing all their items in an easy, accessible way. So getting them dressed, making their bed, grabbing their school stuff and putting shoes on should all be a logical flow from one activity and one space to the next. I hope these points have been very helpful for you in helping your kids' room be more organized. Please let me know if you like these videos on organizing and decluttering with kids. I'm happy to share more ideas and insights in upcoming videos. Also, if you know a parent and think this video could be helpful for them, please forward this video to them. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe and hit the bell. You will regularly be updated on videos on my channel. I cover every topic that can be linked to decluttering and organizing to inspire you on your journey to what I call organized living. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.